A member of the Union of Mongolian Artists, painter and sculptor Mr. Oğuz Bayar opened his solo exhibition titled Realm of Zorigdol on October 21st at the Redger Art Gallery. According to Oğuz Bayar, the exhibition is an expression of transformation and future prospects in his mentality rather than being bound under a certain theme. The name Zorigdol refers to a Buddhist concept that can be translated as true will. The artist says that he named this space for knowledge and creation arisen after learning Buddhist philosophy, realm of Zorigdol. Although his previous works mainly dealt with themes of fairy tales, myth, intuition, and nature, this exhibition describes the realm emerging from imaginative meditations. The works are based on symmetrical composition and dominated by turquoise blue color.